Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to get Tinder Gold in Tinder. If you don't know about this app Tinder, this is a dating app where you can chat with the people. And now let's begin. First you have to click on the Tinder app and you have to click on the your profile, which is on your top left side, and you have to click on the setting and you can see Tinder Gold. So you have to simply click on that and you will see three options: 6 month, 12 month and 1 month. You have to choose what you want and press continue. Now you have to press continue and you have to enter your passport or your touch ID. And now press continue and you have to fill the your credit, debit card or PayPal information and click continue. Like this you can get Tinder Gold in Tinder. Thank you, hope you guys like.